In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an Excel file into QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to streamline your financial management, uploading Excel files can greatly simplify your workflow, making your accounting seamless and efficient. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the Sign In button. If you're not already logged into QuickBooks, you'll find this at the top right corner of the QuickBooks Online homepage. Clicking here will prompt you to enter your login details, so be sure to have your credentials ready. Once you're logged in, you'll need to choose QuickBooks Online from the list of services available. This ensures that you're accessing the right platform for your needs, whether you're managing a small business or handling personal finances. After selecting QuickBooks Online, you'll be prompted to type in your credentials once again. This is a standard security measure to keep your data safe, so enter your username and password, then hit Continue to access your account. Now, with access to your account, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window, where you'll see a settings icon typically represented by a small gear. Click on this to open up a list of options related to your QuickBooks settings. From the drop-down menu, locate and click on Attachments. This will navigate you to the section of QuickBooks Online, where you manage and view all your uploaded files. On this attachments page, you'll want to look for a smaller link also labelled Attachment. This might seem redundant at first, but clicking this link is a crucial step to initiate the file upload process. Once clicked, you'll be prompted with options to either drag and drop your file, or browse your computer to upload the desired Excel file. If you opt to browse, a file selection window will appear. Here, you'll navigate through your computer's files to locate the specific Excel document you wish to upload. Select your file by highlighting it and then clicking the Open button in the file window. QuickBooks Online will now take over, uploading your file to your account's attachment section, ready for you to organize and utilize as needed. This process is straightforward, but to ensure everything uploads smoothly, make sure your Excel file is in a compatible format and doesn't contain any broken formulas or hidden sheets, as these could complicate the upload. And there you have it, your Excel file is now uploaded to QuickBooks Online, ready to assist you with your accounting tasks. By following these steps, you'll efficiently manage your data and maintain a comprehensive record all in one place, making your financial management more streamlined and effective.